right lane, proceed straight to stay on John Bradley Boulevard and then merge right 2 lane.
She said was,
Using the right lane, keep right to stay.
as she said, I'm gonna.
So here at the airport, that was a weird Uber ride. I don't know how much you heard on the audio there. I get to go home to Denver today. I'm in Raleigh, North Carolina, and yeah, let's do this thing, huh? A lot of people checking in for flights. Jeez. I just need to go to security. No baggage to check here. Does look like there's a line though, but it is 6:42. My flight doesn't board till 7:38, so I have some time to kill. So we'll go find TSA Pre and be on our way. Looks like I'm not in this main line. I get to go in this line to the right. So let's do this. A little shot here. It's not too bad on traffic.
I actually have it on the phone too, but
That other area is really busy. These machines look like they should be in a movie. They're like these, like that. It's kind of cool looking. Like a tanning bed or something. All right, done with security. It's amazing. They tell everybody to take everything out of your pockets, and I literally see this old guy. He gets stopped, and he's got like 5 different things he's pulling out of his pocket, like prescription drugs and a glasses case and all sorts of bizarre stuff. You're like, what did he not understand? Oh my. That's why security takes so long, is people don't follow the instructions and then they gotta stop and search them. According to our thing, we're supposed to fly a 737-800 today, so that should be exciting. I have a decent seat. I'm sitting on the left-hand side. Yeah, I'm seat 8A. Hopefully we get some good views. I really don't know the city very well. I haven't been here in like 10 or 15 years. There is no plane. Oh, actually there is. I just lied and corrected myself. Let's see if we can see it, maybe. Here's our plane. Just way back there. It's hard to see, but there is a plane there. Here we go. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Hey, Mason, thank you. There you go. Economy Plus. 737. Plus the first class. This plane's been sitting here all night. It's very humid out. So, that's what you get. Okay, here we go. We're here. Going there.
care.
Good one.
Bye now.
Let's see. Airplane. Normally very few people walk around the back of these things. So you can save yourself a little time. See if we can make that train. It's looking like it's crowded. This one back here seems to have some room. Yeah, there's room. Yeah, we're on. Almost barely.
All passengers, please exit.
Attention passengers, the South Security checkpoint is the primary checkpoint for passengers.
Never do the stairs, but here we go. Not too bad. It's quicker than the escalator. It's a Tesla. Walk in the crosswalk. I see my car right there. So, hey, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video at all, be sure to hit like on your way out. Hit subscribe if you want to see more videos like this in the future. I'd really appreciate it. And yeah, if you have any questions or comments, leave it in any of my videos and I'll try to get back to you and respond. And if it's something you think I should show in a video or something like that, I'll put it in a video, you know? So yeah, thanks again. Bye. Take flight.